I'm trying to figure out these braids before I do this. My hair is so long too over here, feeling like Rapunzel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. As you can see from the title, today we have another Temu package that we're gonna be unboxing. The package actually came quicker this time. The package actually came quicker this time. Like, I wasn't even thinking about it because I got so much Temu stuff coming. It's ridiculous. So before I know it, the package was already here yesterday. It was supposed to get delivered today, but I'm not gonna complain because now I get to try on some clothes for you guys. Before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you will be notified when I post my next video. Even though the packages look like this, everything be perfectly wrapped. We're just gonna go from the top of the bag and work our way to the bottom. I'll be ordering everything from their website because Temu is that deal. And I'm trying to put y'all on, so y'all need to pay attention and get in the game like your girl because I've been ordering everything. Oh, okay. I got these fitness thigh things that go around your thighs. It can help you sweat. I think I only got 2 pieces of jewelry this time. If you don't know, your girl's an Aries. I probably don't try these on right now, but I will show you guys what they look like. So tiny, but it says Aries. I'm an April baby, the one and only. And like the quality of this is good. It's not bending or anything. My name is Nikita and my channel name is Keys TV. So this charm bracelet, I got keys and it has a lock. And it's super cute. This one is stretchy, so I can actually just pop this one on my wrist. I think I'm gonna keep it on for the rest of the video. Next, I got these foam runners. These shoes are super cute, you guys. I've been wanting these shoes for so long. I went ahead and grabbed me a pair. I'm gonna take them out the package because I know y'all can't see them. Now, I'm a grade school 6.5. I got a size 7. This is what they look like. And they so cute. They comfortable too. They feel like you're just walking on some clouds. I'm just gonna wear them for the rest of the video because why? Oh, they is so soft. Dang. Oh, my feet is in heaven right now. I think all the other stuff that I got is clothes, honestly. I don't know if I'm gonna try everything on. I gotta have body goals before I do all that. This is the next item. It's a 2-piece bandana outfit. From my last Temu unboxing, I had a couple of t-shirts and I accidentally got those in XXL because it said size 14. 14 would be an extra large. Air 14 say XXL, which was a little too big for me, kind of oversized. And I don't like my clothes like that. Ooh, my fiance is not finna go for this. This is the top. I have never, whoa, I will be definitely stepping out of comfort zone with this one. Spaghetti strap strings. It's so cute, but I don't know. Ooh, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this, but I was trying to step out my comfort zone because I don't do those little half shirts and things, but
it's still a hot girl summer now.
It got these biker shorts. I think I'm too thick for these shorts. I got it in a smaller size. I think this is 8'10". You know, it's giving a little stretchy. I might try everything on towards the end of the video because I don't want to mess up my hair. I just did my braids last night. I'm still amazed how they are able to get everything in one package. Like, the package is still loaded and it will fit your whole house, your car, your bank account. They will get you everything in one package because they ain't playing about their shipping. They like, we ain't finna spend extra money. We finna just put everything in one package. I ordered like a total of 3 outfits. Says, I don't know, I don't care, and I don't give a fuck. White t-shirt with the black letters, black shorts, and it says, I don't give a you see it. So excited. The material on here, it feels so soft, not super see-through. They get an A+. Your girl was getting all the 2-piece sets. We only in August. We still got a lot of hot days. I'm gonna be able to put on every last outfit. I got this pink and black set. It says, it is what it is. Came with some black shorts as well. Then it says, it is what it is on the shorts. That's my favorite saying though. It is what it is. We got this hoodie. This is my favorite thing out this whole entire package. I think this is the first thing that I put into my cart, honestly. It says, oh, for peeps sakes. It's so cute. And it got the drawstrings for the hoodie. Very nice material. And all of their stuff got a little stretch to it. So You know, I can't wait. I'm gonna be in this. How many? I got 4 two-piece outfits. Okay. I told y'all I was just clicking and ordering and adding things to the cart and not knowing what the heck was going on. I couldn't stop. I can't be stopped. I'm gonna pair this outfit up with my yellow and black retro 4s. All of their outfits have stretch to it. You can get away with downing the sides. These are their shorts. Cute. I didn't know that they had the drawstring. I'm gonna have to put this whole fit on and give y'all a full head to toe. I might have to wear this one today. This is cute. And they got so many different colorways in this outfit. It's not even funny. This shirt says back and body hurts. I like this shirt a lot. My back and body be hurting, especially since I'll be cleaning up those rooms at my job. Cause yeah, y'all know we getting older and that back and body be hurting. Last but not least, you guys, I have this eye thing. I don't wear makeup anyway, but I could never do the eyeliner. And this is a tool that can help you, guide you on how to use it. You see how that wing is so perfect? That's what this tool is for. And it has a little heart on it. So cute. I got it in purple, as y'all can see. Favorite color over here. All right, you guys, so that is gonna be the end of this video. I am hot now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me stop. Share this video with anyone and everyone you guys know. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video, and I'll see you in the next one.